Welcome back, guys. Today, I want to show you what we got here at Ranger Restoration and Repair. Got a package come in today. We're going to open this up and share with you what we found. This is another one I've decided to add to my collection. It was in lieu of some of the latest announcements on the Lightning collection. I got to hunting for something on eBay. I'm really looking forward to some of the new figures they've got coming out, but this is one of the older ones. And we'll see if we can't get this open. I really need to sharpen my knife, by the way. See if we can't get some lights on, a little bit of light to see by. There we go. Took a minute to get something turned on. Alright. See if we can't get this open. This package, I'm not real happy. I know from just moving the box around that it wasn't packed correctly. It has absolutely no bubble wrap or anything. But I looked up and thankfully nothing was damaged. And see if we can get this out of here and get this box out of the way. We have the Blue Centurion Cycle from back in the day. I've been looking for one of these, and this is for, I actually picked this one up from one of the groups I'm in. It's actually one of the cleanest that I could possibly find. Has all the antennas, all the little chrome pieces. Only thing that I've found that's missing is the windshield on it, which, for the most part, in looking for these, if you find a used one, you're probably not going to find one with the windshield. But I was really impressed with this one. The color is still really good. It hasn't faded. All the stickers are there. I am lacking all the accessories for the figure. I'll hopefully find those here before long. But I was really looking forward to this. Like I said, I don't know about anybody else, but we got the announcement from the Lightning collection here a few days ago or a few weeks ago about the Blue Centurion figure, which, I mean, I am stoked for. I'm ready for some turbo figures. I don't know about anyone else, but it got me realizing in my turbo collection I don't have anything Blue Centurion, and he's always been one of my favorites. So I decided to find. Decided to find this something just that I could add into my turbo garage. It's another added piece to go with it, but it's a really nice piece. Like I said, I was really happy with the bike. It's clean. Still has all the stickers. Everything's on it. Like I said, other than the windshield, it's just a really great piece. I was happy to get it, add it to my collection. But and as far as that goes, I've got some more videos coming up here soon. I haven't been able to get the Dino Fury Mega Pack. I had some problems with the video, but it will be coming up. But I appreciate the watch. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, guys.